In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cinematic music with Soundation. We're going to shape that big, dramatic movie sound using a slow tempo, long notes, layered orchestral instruments, powerful percussion, and roomy reverb that makes everything feel larger than life. Start by setting the cinematic pace. In Soundation, set your BPM between 70 and 90. Around 80 is a great middle ground for a wide, dramatic feel. A slower tempo gives space for tension and emotion to breathe. Open the piano roll for your first instrument and draw long, sustained notes that last 2 to 4 full bars. Think of these as the backbone of your score. Keep them simple and steady and let the length do the heavy lifting. If you're drawing chords, hold them for those same long durations so the harmony feels grand and patient. Now let's layer orchestral sounds. Open the sound library, search for strings or cello, and drag a string instrument to a new track. Use this for your main melody or a repeating motif. Keep it lyrical and not too busy. Repetition with small variations is very effective in cinematic music. Next, add brass. Search for trombone or French horn presets and stack them on another track. Use these for those bold, low brom hits you hear in modern trailers. Short, powerful notes work best, especially on downbeats or right before a transition. If you want extra weight, place the brass an octave below your strings. Time to build massive percussion. Skip standard drum kits and search the library for cinematic percussion or taiko loops. Drag a few into your timeline and let them drive intensity without crowding the mix. Leave space between hits so each drum speaks clearly. For transitions, use impact or cymbal crash presets at the start of a new section. These signal big moments, like entering a chorus or shifting dynamics. Place them on the first beat of a bar and let the tail ring. If it's too long, shorten it slightly so the next section feels clean. Finally, create scale with effects. Reverb is crucial here. Add the reverb effect to every instrument and set the size to 80% or higher to simulate a massive hall or cathedral. Adjust the mix so the sound is spacious but still clear. If things feel washed out, pull the mix back a touch on your lead parts while keeping background elements wetter. Give percussion a little less reverb so it stays punchy. This shared ambience glues your layers together and delivers that epic, cinematic atmosphere. Hit play and enjoy your soundtrack coming to life in Soundation.